What's going on, guys? I've been getting a lot of comments about my heater core valve right here. So I'm going to talk to you guys about mine and why I chose this style over this one. Let's get into it. In most gas and diesel vehicles, there are two small coolant lines that come here from the water pump and go all the way into the firewall. They are constantly sending and returning coolant from the water pump to the heater core. When you turn your climate control to heat, the blend door flips so that your cabin blower blows warm air throughout your cab. And when you want cool air, you do the opposite. And the blend door closes, redirecting the air. And when you turn your system to AC or AC max, the compressor kicks on to chill that evap core, sending ice cold air throughout the cab. Simple enough, but even with the AC on, the heater core is still a little radiator with hot coolant flowing through it constantly. And that blend door that separates the hot and the cold is really not the best at keeping that radiant heat out. So the classic fix is this valve right here. This is a vacuum actuated coolant valve. And when it's not actuated, it lets coolant flow normally into the cab and out back towards the pump. When vacuum is applied, usually by connecting it to this hose right here, the valve is activated, stopping the flow of coolant into the cab. And this means that the AC system doesn't have to compete with the super hot coolant radiating heat right next door. My big problem is that the hose that we normally have connected to our actuator is also tied into our max AC blend door actuator, meaning the only time this valve is active is when we have the climate set to max AC. And just so we understand the difference, regular AC will pull air from outside, send it through your evap and into your cab, whereas the max AC setting will recirculate the air that's already in your cab, meaning the AC system won't have to work as hard to cool that air down. And that's what this is right here. It's the blend door actuator for the max AC. And now back to the problem. When I'm driving around at night, I enjoy having the AC off and the windows down, but I also enjoy having a little bit of air flowing through the vents, especially at stoplights. But since the AC is off, I'm getting blasted by hot air that radiates through that blend door. So instead of this vacuum actuated valve, I went with this brass manual valve instead. Yes, I know it looks like it belongs in a garden, but it works great. During the summer, I keep it closed so that absolutely no coolant gets into the cab. Then when winter hits, I just open the valve and I get hot coolant right to the heater core. And now, no matter what setting I'm on, I know I'm getting the coldest air possible. Plus, brass over plastic is a no-brainer for me, even if it looks a little silly. They make these in 3/4 and 5/8, and the barb fittings make these really good for mixed hose sizes. And that is everything, guys. Thanks very much for watching. To see videos like this and more, subscribe to my auto adventures.